T.L.O. vs. New Jersey Supreme Court case. The origin of the Supreme Court case took place in New Jersey, Piscataway High School. Piscataway High School is a 4-year public high school in Middlesex County, New Jersey. The date was January 15, 1985. The two culprits were freshman T.L.O. and her undisclosed named friend.
Two friends in the bathroom. T.L.O. and her friend were smoking in the bathroom at Piscataway High School when a teacher walked in. The teacher then brought T.L.O. and her friend to the principal's office. There were designated areas for smoking in high school at the time, but the bathroom was not one of them. The two get sent to the principal's office. T.L.O.'s friend talked to Vice Principal Choplik first, and she admitted to smoking in the bathroom. She received a suspension as punishment. After T.L.O.'s friend confessed, Choplik was suspicious, so he wasn't going to go easy on T.L.O. T.L.O. claimed she didn't smoke, and due to this, Vice Principal Choplik searched her bag out of suspicion.
Vice Principal Choplik opened the purse of T.L.O. Off the bat, he spotted rolling paper, and then he searched further and found marijuana, a smoking pipe, a wad of money, and a letter that implied she was a drug dealer. Supreme Court ruling. The Supreme Court ruling of this case was 6-3, favoring Ohio. The Supreme Court justices claimed that the Fourth Amendment was not violated because the vice principal had probable cause. Also, the vice principal saw the rolling papers in plain view, which gave him probable cause to keep searching. This could be put into perspective like if a police officer clearly saw someone stabbing someone else through a window, the officer wouldn't need a warrant. The justices also believed that in order to maintain a healthy atmosphere and keep kids safe at school, those measures by the vice principal were necessary. This investigation also took place in a public school, so the vice principal could search the bag without violating the Fourth Amendment. Amendments addressed. This was a debate over the Fourth Amendment, which protects searches without a warrant or the consent of a person being searched. The Fourth Amendment is simply defined as, the government can't search or take your property without reason or a warrant. They need probable cause. This entails things such as personal belongings. That means a police officer would not need a search warrant to search a school locker. What would society be like without this decision? This improved society because it clarified to educators that they were within their rights to search someone's property if they had probable cause. Therefore, this made schools around the country a safer environment without violating the Fourth Amendment. Without this decision, society would also be more ignorant because they would then believe that they could get away with a lot more suspicious activity. They might think that the Fourth Amendment would protect them from their contraband being discovered through an unconstitutional search. In this day and age, more and more kids are getting into unhealthy things, such as vape sticks. And this case clarified to educators when they are allowed to search through students' belongings.